Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take macro photos with Huawei Nova 11. And to do this we'll need to open our camera. Inside, move to the right to More tab, and here you should find Super Micro mode. Now lift your phone and place camera about 2 centimeters away from the object. You can click on the screen to put the object into the focus. Now, when clicking on the shutter to take the photo, try to be as stable as possible. And that's how you take a macro photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.